Hey there friends, I'm back again with a new tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you how to add speaker notes to your PowerPoint slides, a handy feature to keep your presentations on point. So let's get started. Open your PowerPoint presentation. In the bottom section of the screen, you'll find a small area labeled Notes. Click there to reveal the speaker notes pane. So here, click, and then um, it will reveal the speaker notes pane. Now you can type your speaker notes for each slide in this space. These notes are meant for your reference, helping you remember key points or instructions while presenting. So to view your speaker notes while presenting, simply click the slideshow tab at the top here, and then select presenter view, this one. This will display your notes on your screen while the audience sees only the slides. And that's it. You now know how to add speaker notes to your PowerPoint slides, making your presentations more organized and confident. Before you go, here's a piece of advice. Use speaker notes sparingly. Keep them concise and focus on key reminders to avoid reading your entire presentation. Your audience will appreciate your natural flow. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to add speaker notes to your PowerPoint slides. See you on my next video.